How to automate the main track, master track, volume via dummy clips in Ableton Live. Ableton Live is great for automating quite a few things, but it's kind of limited to the track only. So if you want to access the volume fader here, there is no native way, but I built a Max for Live device and you can access this via this parameter here. As you can see, it's turning this down and up, and this means if you have this sitting on a track, you can just create a track with an envelope here in the section. Just select the device and the master volume, draw your automations in here, and then if you trigger this clip, you can see that and you can hear that the volume of the main track is now being faded out. Obviously you can do different changes here, or even have presets for live shows where you want to go to certain steps here. It's always a good way to be aware of that are a few things possible even if they're not natively implemented in Ableton Live. So this is a Max for Live device. It will work when you got the Ableton suite. It works with 10, 11 and 12. So Max for Live is included in the Ableton Live suite, or can be bought as an add-on to what's standard. And this device here is part of a pack of mine. I just added this to this pack here for a lot of different automations which are not natively accessible in Ableton Live, which you can use to create more flexibility and having things being at the right stage when you want them to. You will find the link in the video description below if you want to check it out and find out more about that.